Joining me, part 23, things I've found with the Mini 4. I've titled this video, Litchi on the RC2 question mark. Oh, that's me playing with active track and local cemetery, by the way. I just thought I'll put that in for a bit of entertainment while I'm talking. I've asked the question, can you have Litchi on the RC2? Will it ever be available on the RC2? And the simple question is, I highly doubt it. If you're not aware of Litchi, let me enlighten you. I'll be 30 seconds. Litchi is the alternative app to DJI Fly. In fact, I'm also reliably informed that if you have an accident and you're flying Litchi, then DJI will accept the log files from it. It's written on the SDK, which is the software development kit. Now, the SDK is like the bones of your body. Once you've got that, you can then add the skin, the hair, and everything and make an app. But you need the SDK. Now, DJI haven't released it yet for the Mini 3 or the Mini 4. Normally, it can take a year, 2 years before they release it. Once they do, Litchi will then work for the Mini 3 and Mini 4. So what makes Litchi superior? Well, two things in my opinion. Well, actually a number of things. For the earlier quads, there was so much it would do that the earlier quads wouldn't do, like active track on the Mini 2. Mini 3, Mini 4 obviously have got a few more things. But there's two things that I really like about the Litchi app. First one, and I've asked DJI to include this for over 5 years, but they never have done. Auto record. How many times you take off, go flying, and think, oh, I didn't hit the record button. I've just missed what I was shooting. You may have missed an important shot. So auto record on takeoff. That is one of the things I love about Litchi. Secondly is this. There's a thing called the Mission Hub, where you can plan flight routes like this with all the curves. You can have it focus on a POI, for instance, like that there, and you then save that mission, and when you open up the Litchi app, it's there. So if you're going away on holiday, you can plan where you want to fly. You can even view it on Google Earth as a flight and see what it would look like and then tweak it. DJI, for some reason, seem insistent on us just having this and then trying to program waypoint flights on this screen. I mean, it's too small. You know, trying to find the exact waypoint is just, it sucks. Now, you can convert Litchi, by the way, to DJI flights. I haven't fully tested it yet. It's something I do mean to do in the future. So what's going to be the resolution? Well, I think that what's going to happen is when Litchi finally do support the Mini 3 and the Mini 4, etc., people are going to buy this, the DJI RC2, because this controller, you put a phone in it, your phone can take Litchi app. It's just the way it's going to be. People are going to shy away completely from buying the RC2 controller in favour of the RC2. I can guarantee you the price will start to rise on these controllers the minute Litchi starts to support the Mini 3 and Mini 4. I'm keeping my eye out. I do want to buy one because obviously I do like Litchi. So the problem is, of course, is why won't they put it on the RC2? Well, I can think of a couple of reasons. First of all, Litchi is a paid app, so you would need to have Play Store because your purchase is a link to your Play Store, your Google Play Store account. Which then means that then you could install any app from the Play Store on the RC2, and I don't think DJI would like that. Although, to be fair, if you look at the Drone Assist app, which is one that shows you no-fly zones and safe-to-fly zones, etc. in your local area, Drone Assist would be good if you could have it on this, along with Litchi. But that would mean, of course, completely rewriting the firmware for this to have some option to exit the app and then a home page where you can tap to choose Litchi to fly instead. I just can't see DJI doing that, which is an absolute shame. So yeah, if you are wanting Litchi for the Mini 4 and you've got the RC2, then my advice most definitely is to keep an eye out for an RCN2. Grab it while they're cheap, because trust me, the price will rise once Litchi supports it, I'll guarantee, because everybody will be clamouring for one of these. And then keep it handy, and then at some point Litchi will support the Mini 3, Mini 4, and everybody will be wanting to use it because, my opinion, and it's always been my opinion, Litchi does a much better app than DJI ever does. Anyway, that's it for part 23. I'll see you in part 24.